Alright, so this video is about not being able to tape in Spirit Halloween stores. Now people do it all the time and they get away with it, but I know they don't ask permission, obviously. But I'm a responsible person, so I actually emailed spirithalloween.com and I asked them if you're actually allowed to tape or if it's up to the store manager, and they didn't reply. I guarantee I'm the only person in the history of YouTube who has actually asked. So I am knocking Spirit for not replying at all. So I went into a Spirit Halloween store and asked the manager in person if I could tape. And if not, why not? They were pleasant, but that question caught them off guard. They had to stop and think, and they said they're not supposed to allow it. At least they gave me a reason. I did have to ask if it was a corporate decision or up to the individual store manager. They said it was corporate. I'm not knocking the store manager. They took the time to be nice and explain it to me, and they took some time to talk to me. I wish they would have said thanks for asking, but they didn't. So Spirit doesn't have signs or anything on their website that says you cannot tape or take photos in their stores. And I'm going to email them and tell them that if that is their policy, they need to communicate it. The thing is, I wouldn't have taped in there anyway because of the loud rock music. It defeated the purpose of trying to tape an animated prop. Now, one reason I would have wanted to tape the props is because Spirit Halloween's YouTube channel does a good job of showing you the prop in action, but the audio they use is not the actual prop. It's the studio recorded sound effect and or voice actor. Now, for most people that's splitting hairs, and they can get the idea, but as a graphic designer, I notice things like that. So anyway, knock yourselves out with videos, but just be aware that there are rules. So I have links to my other videos on this channel and other channels, and some of these thumbnails are for videos that are upcoming. So check those out, if you will. Put a lot of effort into them. I try to make them informative and interesting, both for me and you.